Hello, I'm Tine Urnov, the captain of national volleyball team of Slovenia. From the clear waters of the Soča Valley to the green capital of Ljubljana. Koza, here it comes.
I'm Janko Zamernik, middle blocker of Slovenian national volleyball team. From the vibrant streets of Ljubljana to the fairy tale setting of Stožice, the journey continues.
Hi, I'm Alen Pajink, middle blocker of Slovenian volleyball national team. Keeping the ball moving across Slovenia. Maribor, home of the world's oldest wine. You are up.
Hi, I am Rok Možič, outside hitter for Slovenian volleyball national team. The chain goes on from the vineyards of Maribor to the Mediterranean spirit of Slovenian coast.
Hi, I am Jani Kovačič, the libero of the Slovenian national volleyball team. We are one pass closer to circling Slovenia, from Slovenian coast to